Hello students! In this video, we are going to dive into a fun topic of collocations. Let's learn together. Collocations are word combinations frequently used together by native English speakers, such as fast food, post office, make friends, break the news, etc. Now, let's learn the importance of collocation. It helps to make language sound more natural and easy to understand. It expresses ourselves in a variety of ways. It helps to grow our vocabulary by learning new word combinations. Let's look into the types of collocations: adverb plus adjective, extremely hot, highly skilled. Adjective plus noun, green grass, strong coffee. Noun plus noun, flower garden, coffee table. Noun plus verb, bee sting, snowfall. Verb plus noun, write a letter, cook dinner. Verb plus preposition, rely on, count on. Verb plus adverb, run quickly, think deeply. Now, let's learn how collocations work in sentences. Jacob always keeps his promises. He made a decision to change his career. Now it's your turn to answer. Give an example of a collocation. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 6 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.